Hello and welcome to Gadgets, Gimmicks and Tech, and we're going to have a new series now. Rather than unboxings, I'm going to call it What's in the Box. So what's in this box? Well, this has been sent to us by Imazing, and they're a company that produce car or vehicle jump starters, amongst other products, which include power banks and wall chargers. They've actually sent us this one, which is the IM27. Which is a sort of mid-range product from them, and it's capable of starting 10-litre petrol or up to 8-litre diesel engines with a flat battery. So let's have a look. What's in the box? Let's give it a little open and then we can take us through the specification. We won't actually try it out in this particular video, but we will be doing some real life scenarios with it, because I have a couple of vehicles that will actually be very good to try this out on. The specification for this one is that the start peak current is between 1600 to 2000 amp. It's a start current of 800 amps, and it's got two USB sockets on it which provide 5 volts, 9 volts or 12 volts on one of them, up to 3 amps at 5 volts, 2 amps at 9 volts and 1.5 amps at 12 volts. The second USB is 5 volt 2.1 amp only. There's also a little jack socket on the side which will give you up to 10 amps at 12 volts. So this is opening it up, and we can see that it comes with the clamps that go onto your battery on the vehicle, with the special adapter that plugs into the jump start unit. That appears to have an LED display on it as well. There's also a USB-A to USB-C charging or input-output lead. There's an instruction booklet, and also a little warranty card. I think there's a 2-year warranty with this product. So this all is in English, which is good to see. You can completely understand that. And instructions there on how to actually use the unit. The other thing it has built into it is an emergency light or strobe. So if you're down at the roadside in the dark, you can have a little bit of illumination, which is pretty good. So here we are. This is the first look of the unit. Very nice. Turn it on. It's 98% charged at the moment. The torch there, which is in normal mode or strobe mode. Various rates of flashing for that. And if I hold that, and presumably that'll switch off. Yes, it does. So on the side you've got your USB-C socket and also the DC output for 10 amps. Now if you want to jump start the vehicle, you actually have to open this flap up and plug in the special adapter. Now I'm rather interested in this because a relative of mine, she has got a similar product to this, and they keep theirs in their car because quite often the partner leaves the car doors open and the battery's drained down, and they go to try and start the car and it's dead. So I think this is a really good idea. I could have done with one of these many years ago when I used to have lots of old bangers, because they were always having very bad batteries, and to have something like this to help give you a start again would have been ideal back then, but that was a long time ago. Things have changed a lot since then. Also, you can use this as a power bank to charge up your mobile phone or your game consoles or whatever things you've got, your iPads, tablets. My partner, she has her mobile phone. She's always forgetting to charge her phone, and so if she had one of these in the car, it would also help her in an emergency to charge up the phone again.